This episode is brought to you by TwoLinedMusicHutStore.com. TwoLinedMusicHutStore.com is your all-access to culture. Check out cultural merchandise like leggings, hats, mini boxing gloves, and bags. Also t-shirts like hip-hop, nature, rock bands, reggae, and dark fantasy. Fast shipping worldwide. That's TwoLinedMusicHutStore.com. Now let's check out this episode. How did you get your name, Sassafrass? Because I know at this time, I don't think the Lord was on it this time here.
No, this time, no, my name's, them time everybody, your name yourself the toughest name, you know. Mm-hmm. But everybody, I name themselves Cowboy name, eh? Because like, with a Walton Park Road, majority of the DJ, them only have Cowboy name, you know. Mm-hmm. You know, pure, Cowboy
Dillinger name. And all of those names there was.
Bad boy name. Mm-hmm. So me say, no. Bad race ass name Sassafrass pan grass come from America. So I'm gonna name myself Sassafrass.
Got you.
So I start use Sassafrass down and I DJ 1 and 2 little ass thing. No, no only do some little 1 and 2 little ass thing. I go 100 na the ass set, and still I DJ the standards. And I use a marvel name Jado Paul. I'm a 1 foot. You say something? Okay, I go a leaper, Yeah.
And this was before you got to Scorpio?
Yeah, before I go Scorpio. Them time, me did look at 75, the soul expert sound. That guy, what own soul expert, him carry me goes Channel 1. America, that's our name, Roots. The story of Roots.
Yeah.
That's the first time I do.
The story of Roots.
The story of Roots.
Are you talking about the movie that came on TV?
Step 2, halfway 3, trying to take in a good movie. Tell me the truth, the roots. Roots, the Babylon are brought in a road. Come from Africa, work against it. The moment they got my grave, lad, So, but do that. And then the youth say, yo, man, I can't go to Perry. And this 1 foot youth, me and him red, because Perry close to Marvel,
Okay.
Then the Washington guard, close. I look at 10-minute bicycle ride. I'm going on there. And Perry, him say, Perry, see DJ me I tell you about you. I'm going to go there. Perry say so, I'm going to give Perry a lyric. Him say, what your name? I'm going to say, my name is Sassafrass. Him say, no. I'm going to call you Lord. Lee Perry. So I said, my name Lord.
Lee Scratch Perry was the one that gave you the name Lord on top of Sassafrass.
Yeah. So when him done, him say, tomorrow for coming. By this time, they have some killing at Jamaica. Green Bay.
Yes.
In the hills. And through Perry always I touch them up. Perry always I touch them up. The government and film things, film things, them political. At the time, I have a youth in the studio named Mikey Dread. Dread at the control. That time, them just had Dread at the control, And him a Winston Williams. Winston pretty vice down at Jamaica. The whoop with the solid cake. And the man they read the Bible before the session start for
Okay.
You man read the Bible before the session. In a Lee Perry. So when we don't know and for come, him tell me say, him kill off the man them on a Green Bay. So we go do a thing, So the man give me the Bible. And that's about Psalms 133 and some of the chant out of the Bible. And put on the rhythm. I'm just go on there and start. I saw them like a Green Bay tree. Blah, blah. Him give me the Bible and tell him to do it. I'm going to do 2 for Perry.
You did, what was the second song that you recorded for Perry?
I think one of them named Inquest, Green Bay Inquest. And then one named Traveling to Rastafari. With this Indian girl that is singing 2.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.